Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox and review the INGCO 20V Lithium-Ion Cordless Angle Grinder. This is Danz Garage, and I'm the jack of all trades.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello! Today we're going to unbox this INGCO 20V Lithium-Ion Cordless Angle Grinder. It is a part of the INGCO's 20V Lithium-Ion P20 series, which includes the impact driver, the circular saw, the jigsaw, and now we have this cordless angle grinder. We're waiting for a long time to have this tool, so now let's unbox. So, ito na siya. First, let's check out the box. Okay. Right here, indicated 20 volts siya. So, gumagamit siya ng 20 volt battery, yung lithium ion natin from the P20 series. In this package nga pala, hindi pa kasama dito yung battery niya at charger. So, gagamitin natin dito yung nasa cordless impact drill. So, revolutions per minute is 9,000 RPM. This diameter niya is 100 mm. Yung kanyang spindle thread is M10 type. Meron siyang spindle lock and nakalagay siya sa color box. So yan, nakalagay ulit dito is 2.0 amperes, 2 amperes yung kanyang gamit na battery. Meron siyang spindle lock. So brushless motor na siya, so magandang klaseng motor na yung nakalagay dito. So hindi na natin kailangan ng carbon brushes para dito. Tapos meron siyang auxiliary handle with soft grip, parang pang bisikleta. So at this side, so makikita natin yung included sa loob. This is the angle grinder, auxiliary handle, tsaka meron siyang spring panel. For this side, it's the same. Now let's open this up. Okay. First na makikita natin is ang kanyang operation manual. Okay, nice. Lithium-ion angle grinder. As you can see, kasama siya sa P20 series. So, isang battery lang ang ginagamit sa mga tools na yan, sa mga nandyan. So, this is the fourth tool na meron tayo sa P20 series. So, ayan dito ang kanyang specifications, safety warnings, function descriptions, dito lahat. Okay, it's there. It's written in English, and nandito na naman yung kanyang exploded view. Medyo maliit nga lang kasi maliit yung kanyang instruction manual. Pero it's comprehensible naman. Tapos yung kanyang parts list. Okay, next. We have this warranty card. Now, ito yung kanyang guard. Kapal ng kanyang bakal. Ganda. So, ito yung grip. Brum brum brum. Parang pang bisikleta or pang motor. Pwede ko kaya ikabit sa motor to. Ang cute. Okay. And now we have the this is the spindle, the spanner. Kapal din, ganda. Now we have the main unit. Okay, hanggang lang niya. Hanggang. So, ang sarap din hawakan. Look at this. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. Premium na premium. Sigurado pag ginamit ito hindi nakakangalay. and it's cordless. So kahit saan tayo limiko-liko, nothing's going to hinder our way. Look at that. Ganda ng grip. Then this is brushless motor, so hindi masyado maingay ito. So now we're going to set this up. We're going to get the battery for this, and then we're going to test this thing. Okay, let's go. So now ayan guys, hiramin muna natin yung battery dito sa loob ng impact grill. So meron isang battery dito. Ito yung ating kasama sa P20 series power share. So tingnan natin kung meron siyang load pa. Okay, puno pa siya. So test muna natin bago natin set up. Tingnan natin kung gagana na to. Okay, it's in there. Let's try. This is the switch. Wow. Ang tahimik, di ba? Oh, let's compare this. I have here the cordless one. Ito yung hindi brushless. Tingnan natin kung yung comparison niya sa ingay. Okay, first paandarin ulit natin to para marinig nyo. Like that. And now we have the brush type. There, you can already hear the difference. And the weight. Ang gaang lang nito. Kasama na yung battery niya, pero mas magaang pa siya kaysa dito sa may brush. This is the brushless type. So now, bago natin ikabit yung blade cutting disc natin, tsaka yung guard, tanggalin muna natin itong battery para walang danger na biglang wikot yan. So first, lagay muna natin itong guard. Okay, that will be the, so dito natin pinoposition yan para habang ginagamit natin yung spark hindi tatapon sa atin, laging papunta doon. Then let's or saan kayo komportable, i-adjust nyo na lang. Okay, I think that's my comfort zone. Now ito na yung kanyang lock. At least pati yung lock na dito may groove, so mas makapit. Okay, tapos yung ating cutting disc came from INGCO rin, pero binili ko to separately. Mabibili nyo to, napakamura lang, for about 17 pesos sa mga DIY shop. Sa Mr. DIY meron to, 17 pesos lang guys. So let's put that in there, lock it in place. Gamitin natin ang kanyang spanner. So let's spin the lock, lock it in place. Okay, that's locked. And lagay natin ang kanyang handle. So kung dito tayo, lagyan natin siya sa top. See guys, look at that. Diba? Yung switch nya nandito lang, hindi kaya yung isa natin nasa ilalim. So magre-reach out ka pa para lang patayin. Tapos bibitaw ka dahil kailangan mo pumunta sa ilalim para switch. So ito na yung switch, mas madaling ma-reach. Tapos yung grip niyan sarap, not like the other one, pwede mo mabitawan. So now let's test this once again. Tandaan, pag hindi ginagamit dapat laging nakatanggal ang battery. Okay, let's test this. Nice. So now let's cut something. Let's put this to the test. So guys, before we go on to this test, kailangan natin ng safety. So we're going to need our safety gloves para hindi tayo mapasok kung sakasakaling may spark sa kamay natin, bigla natin mabitawan ating angle grinder. So delikado pag nabitawan, so kailangan natin itong gloves. We're going to need the respirator para hindi natin masingot, or pwede rin naman na regular mask lang. So in this case, ito na lang muna, regular mask lang. So last not but the least is kailangan natin eye protection. So we're going to need our safety goggles. And we're ready to go. Guys, first let's try this grinder on this 1x1 tubular. First, let's clamp this down. Kailangan secure yung pagkakaklamp natin para hindi gumilaw. Let's fire it up. One more time. Kadali. Parang cheese lang na kinat ng knife. Cheesy, naputol niya agad. So as you can see, clean cut. Diba, malinis lang siya. The other one. Nice. Now let's try it for something harder. This 1x1 angular bar. Let's do it. This is a harder one, so let's clamp this down tightly. Mark muna kung saan tayo magpakat. Let's cut. Yan, so as you can see, malinis ang kanyang putol. Konting grind lang yan. Now nakita natin yung cutting kay tumingin na. So ngayon naman, let's try to grind something. So now gagamit naman tayo ng grinding disc. So palitan natin yung disc ng cutting. First, we have to hold the spindle lock. Disc, magtanggal. Tibay kasi yung kanyang spanner, madali matanggal yung disc. So now let's put the grinding disc right there. Tapos pabaliktad naman ngayon ang kanyang lock. Hang tight, hold the spindle lock. It's ready. Testing. That's it. naman, napakadaling mag-grind. Kasi kahit saan tayo pumisok kung position, wala tayong intindihin na wires or getting in the way sa ginagrind natin. So kahit saan tayo position, ang dali lang tirahan yung gagrindin natin. That's good! So now guys, we have seen this INGCO 20 volts cordless angle grinder in action. As you notice, it's so powerful, napakalakas ng kanyang brushless motor. With that 9,000 RPM, it's like a hot knife on butter when cutting. And as you have seen, napaka-easy niya gamitin and it's very easy to operate. The shape and ergonomics of this tool is so beautiful. Napaka-sexy at napaka-slim niyang tignan. Ang sarap hawakan. Na-in-love na yata ako sa tool na to. Compared to a regular non-brushless grinder, napakalaki ng advantage nito when it comes to power, handling, and flexibility. The only downside is it's battery operated, so pwede malobat, and you still have to charge this. But it is also the strength of this tool because it's cordless and it's portable. So pwede nyo siyang maneuver freely when it comes to cutting and grinding without that wire getting on the way. And also, portability is the main key here. You can bring this tool to any job site. Kahit nasa bundok ka pa without electricity, you can do it and get the job done. Well, for example, if you're going to buy scraps from a junk shop, you can already cut it to length dun sa kailangan nyo lang. At dahil per kilo ang labanan sa mga junk shop, mas makakatipid tayo kung makakat natin kung ano lang yung kailangan nating bilhin sa kanila. Pwede na natin i-cut yung part na kailangan natin doon na bibili natin para yun lang ang ating babayaran. Mas makakatipid tayo ng gano'n. So power, flexibility, and portability, maraming ability ang tool na ito. Well, when it comes to price, nasa mid-range lang naman siya. It's not that cheap and it's not that expensive. Compared to the other popular brands, this is a bargain for you. Without the battery and the charger, this unit costs about $3,175. And you can have the 2 batteries and 1 charger combo set for about $3,250. So that's $6,425 for the whole set. Pero P20 series nga ito. So if you already have the battery and the charger that comes with the other combo sets, like the INGCO Cordless Impact Drill, that comes with 2 batteries and the charger, you don't need to buy it anymore again. So, do I recommend this power tool? Sobrang na-inlove ako sa tool na to, so I'll give it a 5 stars and 2 thumbs up. The best at napakasulit ng INGCO 20 volts cordless angle grinder para sa akin. So, dito na po muna natin tatapusin ang video nito tungkol sa ating INGCO 20 volts cordless angle grinder. Sana ay meron kayong bagong natutunan at bagong natuklasan tungkol sa ating video. This has been Serlon from Danz Garage, and as always, ciao! If you like this video, hit that like button. If you learned something and you want to know more, then subscribe. Libre lang yan. And if you want to be updated of our latest videos and updates, hit that bell button.